Hello lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be kind of copying slash reinventing a look by Who's Katrina on Instagram. I will link her username right here. She's super talented, super beautiful. I love her work, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little something like what she did. To start off, of course, I'm just going to do the eyebrows. I just got this Revolution Beauty cut crease canvas in Halo. It's actually completely white, and I'm gonna use this as like my primer before my eyeshadow. This is the first time I've ever used it. I just got it today. So I set that with the white eyeshadow, and that's going to give me that nice bright base for my colored eyeshadows. I'm going to be using some shades from my ColourPop palette that I created myself. I'm going to be using these pinks right here. I'm going to do a half cut crease with the same white. And then I'm going to be using these two yellows. Now normally I would use NYX glitter glue for this, but seeing as I have two sisters, my products always seem to disappear and I can't find it, so I guess I'll just be using eyelash glue. Now I'm going to do a wing liner that comes back in and some lashes. I'm now going to do my face makeup, and then we're going to go over with the final design. Now setting with the Airspun Loose powder, doing my NARS Orgasm X blush, and then going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit. So obviously I can't do it exactly like this, especially seeing as I'm not going to be doing it over the eyelid, so I'm probably just going to be doing something like that. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.